Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is Monday, the 29th of August 2022. How to live trade Forex today in our Forex trading plan. Alright, thank you so much. Guten Morgen, Hubert and company. Namaste, Kati. Ni hao, CK, Trinet. Yes, thank you guys for coming back here. Alright, Nina, hello. Nice to see you. Where are you from, Nina? You're someone new. All right. Okay. Monday. Yeah, Monday we need energy. Right. Okay. So yes. Okay. So right now, where am I? Okay, guys, we are here. All right. We are here to actually do up some planning here. All right. Do up some planning and then get this planning up, so that we know what to do for the day. All right. In every Forex trading, it's very important to know what we are heading, where we are heading, what we are going to do, so that we are focused. All right. So yep, this is the channel. All right. Okay. And we are here to guide everybody in. All right. Nina, yes, I watch your live every day. Thank you, Nina. Thank you very much. All right. So yes, let's move. Okay, we are going to take a look. All right, and I have my MT4, please. Yep. All right. So yes, over here we are going to see what we are going to trade. All right. So first of all, let's have the plan out. Okay. All right. So guys, let's take a look at this Aussie cat. All right, Aussie cat. We are actually moving into the bull. Am I right? So the bull has, and within the bull, it hits up with one formation called the head and shoulder. So tentatively, if we are going to sell down, okay, for 31 pips, there are still possibility there. All right. So currently, this is a retracement in the bull. So selling is still possible, right? Okay. Hi, Joey from Hong Kong. Nice to see you here. Right. So yeah, and this part here, okay. If today we are going to sell, all right, for this Aussie cat, yes, we can. Okay. Tentatively, by looking at this, right, I'm going to place this is resistance over here, which is a formation from this area here, where you can see from last Friday it started to retrace upwards and hits on the resistance here to form a head and shoulder. So obviously that we are going to look out for the support is over here, right here. So I'm going to move this down a little bit. This should be here. Okay, I'm going to move this down. All right, so tentatively we can see this very clear. We have about 30 pips to go. All right, about 31 pips to go. All right, so this is where I'm looking out for. But remember, Aussie cat today, it is actually in the bull having a retracement. Okay, so if you want to sell this, do it very carefully. Okay, all right. So yep. Hi Roger, nice to see you here. Yeah, Roger from Malaysia. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Yep. Okay. So what about Aussie franc? Well, Aussie franc, we are also in the bull, but now it seems like hit on the support. Hit on the resistance. And now coming in with the resistance, that we are coming into a selling. We are now coming back to the selling to retest the support down here. All right. Over here. Okay, as we can see. Okay, so this area of support, I will conservatively put it this way. All right, so that we can see even if we are going to sell down, we still have about 48 pips. Okay, for Aussie franc, are we in the bear or are we in the bull? Well, tentatively, it's still coming back for retesting, and now it's now back into the bear. So Aussie franc, yes, we can pay attention to that. All right, Aussie franc. So it has retested once, okay, over here to show that there's a downward trend. Okay, so I'm going to put Aussie franc, okay, into my selling list today. Okay. Okay, so for Aussie cat, no, I cannot put that into my selling list yet because it is not in the bull totally. Okay, not totally in the bear, so no yet. Okay, so how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen, we are still testing onto the resistance before we start selling. So today I'm going to skip Aussie yen. All right. So Aussie Kiwi. Aussie yen, yes, we are in the bear, we are testing into the bear, but we cannot buy as well, all right, because we are into this area of resistance, which means that it's a bit, this is the area there's a lot of turbulence, so I'm not going to touch this, all right. Okay, Aussie Kiwi, we have been running on the bull. Finally, we see some retracement, but there isn't any very clear signal that it is going for a selling today. Okay, so tentatively, I'm still going to wait for a while, okay, to see the second half or perhaps on tomorrow, okay? All right, so just leave this alone first. Yes, okay, the next one to go is Aussie dollar. Yep, Aussie dollar, same thing, Aussie dollar. We are actually coming back for a selling, all right? We are coming back for a selling today. So that looks good as well, okay, because as I can see the trend, we are actually trending downwards and we have a lower highs here. Okay, so trending backward into the bear. So that looks good. Okay, that looks good. And now tentatively by looking at this situation here, yes, we are turning down to test on the support, where the support level right now is let me place this downward first. Okay, so that we can have a clearer picture where the support is. Okay. So yep, this is the area. So tentatively, I'm still looking out for about 40 pips of space. Okay, 40. So tentatively, still looking good. All right. So that doesn't mean that I can sell immediately. Okay, because for Aussie dollar, we have actually escalated up for quite a while, and now it's coming back to retest the area. So at the moment, okay, as I can see, all right, this is the area of resistance. So we are away about 28 pips to 30 pips away, right? So from the resistance. So tentatively we are right in the middle. Okay, so what can we do with this? Okay, I would prefer to hang on first. Okay, let it retest the resistance before I start selling. Okay, all right. So hang on with that Aussie dollar. Okay, so just go to Euro Aussie. Alright, Euro Aussie today we are last week we are hit on the support and now actually retracing upwards. So we are in the bear, but this bear is actually having a retracement. So there's a retracement in the bear. So does it mean that we cannot sell? Yes, we can sell, but chances are very slim. So in that case, I would prefer not to. Okay, and then we will just move on. Alright. Okay, next thing to go, EUROCAD. Let's take a look at EUROCAD. EUROCAD over here, we are in the bear, all right. So EUROCAD in the bear, and we have retracement to retest the resistance up here. Okay, so now it has tested once again over until this level. Okay, so we can see there's a resistance and it got rejected. So this part here, it got rejected over here, and now seems like we are having a support and it's building up a higher support, correct? Okay, so it seems like it's building up a higher support. In that case, tentatively, I would prefer, okay, I would prefer to see that tentatively, okay, I will prefer to wait. If this is coming down, okay, then perhaps we have a chance, but today seems like it's a retracement. So let's wait for a good chance before we start selling, okay? All right, so for Euro Yen, yes, Euro Yen, we have came down for a while, okay, for the past 2 weeks. Since last month, we have been selling Euro Yen until today. It stopped at the support and now starting to retrace. Okay, so tentatively Euro Yen, we are now on the resistance at this level, okay, and the support has no change over here. Okay, no change from the support. Okay, then sorry, we have a support here. Yeah, it has a new support over here. Okay, so currently by looking at this, if this is going to pull back, all right, about 70 pips, okay, it seems like there's a very good space. However, only when this show that the selling is coming back. If not, this is quite dangerous, okay, because tentatively it seems like it's actually retracing upwards, and now we are still going to test a little bit higher of the resistance up here. Okay, just a little bit more. All right, so it's about that will be about 30 pips. Okay, 30 pips or so. All right. So currently, okay, we can observe for euro yen. Okay, is there any chance for selling? Okay, if not, let it test on the higher resistance before we take action. Okay, all right. Euro Kiwi. Yeah, let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. Yes, Euro Kiwi today. Well, it seems like we are from the bull. Okay, into the bull, coming back to retest, and now it's still forming up a higher support here. Okay, a higher lows that give us an upward trend. So tentatively, buyers can take note, but sellers have to stay away. Okay, all right. So euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Well, euro dollar, we are still pushing lower today. We can see that the low of this candle over here is still running at 99,136. All right, 99,136. Okay, so although we are in the bear, all right, we still have some space to go, which is about 49 pips to go. All right, so currently support still stands here, resistance not much changes. Okay, so let's see later on if we have a chance. All right, okay, so euro dollar, yes, I'm going to put this euro dollar into my watch list. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, yes, cut it. Cat franc. All right, sure. Give me a little while. I'll go to cat franc. Okay. All right, pound Aussie. Today we are in the bear, but having a retracement, testing on the resistance. Now we have this retracement, but yet testing on the resistance. What does that mean? It has a retracement for the past since last week, but now tested on the resistance. Will it have a chance to actually selling down? Yes, we may have. Okay, so right now we are at the edge between the bull and the bear, so this one you have to be very careful as well. Okay, so for now at this point here, I will choose to wait for the next one. Okay, for pound Aussie, I'm going to sell, but okay, each time when I started to sell, okay, I will be looking out for this. We have a very good space, about 70 pips. Okay, 70 pips. So in this case, this 70 pips, all right, each time when we go, all right, we have to look out for the support level. So there's this support level over at this area here. Okay, so we have about 25 pips before we actually meet the support. So I suggest that the pound Aussie, if we want to sell, okay, in this area, all right, scalp it first until it breaks this level, then we start to swing down. Okay, we have about 54 pips. After that, then we can go for a medium to long term. All right, okay, so pound Aussie, yeah, I'm going to take this into my selling list. However, please take note that today the pound is on the bank is on holiday, so the liquidity may be affected. Okay, all right, so pound CAD, we are also in the bear today. All right, so today we are in the bear. And now we are actually testing on we are going to test on the support as a resistance to sell. Today, okay, let's take a look at this area of support. So this is something that we should take note. Okay, we should take note over here. Okay, so this part here. So in this case, all right, we got to be very careful also, because there may be a very big pullback. Okay, very big pullback, about 30 pips or 30 pips of space. Then it will start to swing down. So pound CAD, okay, pound CAD is something that we should pay attention to as well. Okay, but tentatively, all right, by looking at this pound CAD here, we need pound CAD to go up first. Okay, so very likely pound CAD may come for a selling in the second half of the day. Okay, all right. So I'm going to skip pound CAD for a while. All right, pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. How about pound franc here? Pound franc, we are in the bear, back to the bear, but unfortunately we are on the support. So either we break this support, okay, then we retest again before we go for selling. Okay, so tentatively skip this first. How about pound yen? All right, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, we have been focusing to sell for the past few weeks, right? Okay, so tentatively for pound yen is now looking at this point here. From now, okay, over here we have building the downward trend building. Okay, it's building, but when along the way where it's building the downward trend, it's actually coming down here. As you can see, the candle is getting shorter here. seems like the downward trend is actually getting weaker. Okay, so in this case, over at this point here, I will want to, if I want to sell, we are still in the downward trend, but today is a retracement day. So if I want to sell, I want to make sure, okay, the resistance over at this point here has been one part here, this part here, it has been tested. Okay, as you can see, then I will say that probably we may want to take a look that if this is going to swing down, okay, as a lower high, so as you can see, the lower highs, but swing back because of the news. Okay, so we have Jackson Hole last Friday, it got affected and it came down again. So in this case, when it came down, it hits on the same level of the support that we are looking at this area. Then it's now still coming back to retest. Okay, it's coming back to retest this area. So I would say that I will say that probably is going to look good. Okay, but the opening of this is very important. Okay, the opening price today is very important, especially today is Monday and we are challenging the opening price today. It seems that it's a bit challenging, huh? All right, so pound yen, okay, pound yen is tentatively, okay, is showing some signal that it's actually going to come back to take out the Asian market low over here. So the opening here, okay, so tentatively we should observe first. Okay, observe pound yen first. Okay, all right, so pound yen tentatively, okay, selling is still possible, however not that optimistic. Okay, all right, so I'm not going to put the pound yen into my list today. All right, so pound kiwi, right, pound kiwi, we are in the bear. After that, it retraces upward into the bull, having a sideways until it breaks through and now coming back once again. So now it's coming back once again. Will it start to sell today? It looks like, because we are into the situation of resistance. So support is actually still running quite high up there. Okay, so this area here is something that we need to pay attention to. So currently, by looking at this, okay, pound kiwi, will there be a chance of selling? I would say that tentatively, if I'm going to sell for this pound kiwi, I need a lot of confirmation, okay, from H1. Okay, I need a lot of confirmation from H1, because as we can see in H1, we are building a higher support here, a higher support here. So tentatively, I will put the support area into here, okay, into this level. As you can see, it has touches and it got rejected once. So this is the area that we should pay attention to if seller who want to sell for 47 pips. Okay, then this is the level we need to take note. Okay, that's for pound kiwi. All right. Okay, so yeah, okay, I can put pound kiwi into my watch list. Okay, so for those who are confident to sell, yes, we can do that. Okay. All right, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, we are back into the bear. We are still selling down. All right, still selling lower than before. So tentatively, it looks good over here. All right, so let's take a look in H4. Hi, Shalandra. Nice to see you here. Where are you from, Shalandra? Okay, so currently, okay, let me see. All right, so this H4 is going to challenge. Seems like the H4 is challenging over here. All right, so tentatively, I think this is not very good, because I see that now we are very near to the weekly support. So currently, okay, if I want to break this level to continue the selling, first of all, my day 1 and H4 has to break the support first. Okay, if I want to sell. All right. Okay, so let me see, where is the resistance level? Okay, the resistance level still quite high up. Okay, so at the moment, if I'm going to sell this, okay, if I'm going to sell this pound dollar, I should look out for the price of 116437. 116437, because this is the weekly support. It can be quite strong. All right, so it can also rebound back. Okay, so please be very careful. Okay, if I want to sell, I will prefer to wait for it to break the support level here, then retest it again as a resistance, then I will go for selling. Okay, if not today, later on when the market opens, okay, I may see some retracement. This retracement for the pound dollar. Okay, all right. So yeah, just take note. I sold 116754, which now 116754, which now looking at about 20 pips of profit. For me, currently the support is actually pretty near. Okay, support is pretty near. So let's see. I have about 16 pips to go. Okay, then I will prefer to cut it. Okay, I'll prefer to keep the profit first. All right. Nina, that's for Nina. Okay, all right, so let's move again to this let me see, Cap Frank, right? Cap Frank. Well, Cap Frank, let me see if I have Cap Frank with me. Okay, Cap Frank. Right, Cap Frank over here. Well, as for Cap Frank, today we are actually running to the bear. Okay, so we are in the bear, but this bear is actually coming down for this bear, if I'm going to sell it, it's not easy. All right, now it is actually looking out for a support that buying is still possible. Okay, buying is still possible. So Cap Frank over here, I will prefer to wait for it to go further up a bit more. All right. Looks like this is, where is the resistance? Okay, well, Cap Frank, okay, Cap Frank, yeah, Cap Frank, I think I will wait for the resistance to come into this level. Okay, that's for Cap Frank. All right, Cap Frank tentatively should going for a buy. Okay, then after that, if the buy is actually not breaking the resistance, then we will continue the selling, which is about 27 pips away. Okay, that's for Cap Frank. All right, yep, Khatib. Okay, can you understand? All right, so let's move into my dollar pair. All right. Well, dollar over here. All right, dollar over here. Okay. And let's see in terms of dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD, now we are escalating into the bull, transiting into the bull. So selling is definitely out, but buying can definitely be in. Okay, so buyers can take note about dollar CAD. All right, how about dollar franc? Dollar franc, we are also on the buy side. Okay, so tentatively this is not very ideal to sell, so buyer can take note, but seller stay away. Okay, so for dollar yen, now we are back again. All right, we are going to visit the moon with Elon Musk. So currently, okay, I am not going to touch this because looking at this, dollar yen seems like it will continue the bull. Okay, buyers can take note, sellers stay away. All right, Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin, congratulations, and this is where I am looking out for. Haha. All right, congratulations. I guess we have been waiting for this. All right, the moment of 19,000. Okay, 19,000. So this is something that I'm looking out for. So currently, okay, we looking at this Bitcoin, we are looking at 16 to 19, in fact. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this price here, we are now testing. Okay, so I've been drawing this line. This line has been staying here with me for quite a while. So finally, it actually reaches this price of 1977. Okay, so we are still looking out for a good price to buy around here. Okay, going for a buying. Okay, I'm going for a buying for Bitcoin. As for all this selling speculation, I will not be touching it. All right. Okay, so yep, that's about all. Okay, so currently, okay, what do we have here? Okay, let's see. Let me flash out what have I picked out for everybody, so everybody will be able to know Alright, so what are the currency pairs we are going to focus? Okay. Alright, so yep. Okay, so today we have Aussie franc, Euro dollar, Pound Aussie, and Pound Kiwi. We have only 4 of them. Okay, so yeah, but the things may change later on. So let's see how's the London market reacts. Then we will react accordingly. If there's some new currency, okay, then we will just add in accordingly. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming into this session with my planning over here, so that probably you may see how I plan, that you will roughly know what I'm doing. All right. So I shall see you in the London session. Guys, do remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation for the video, okay, or the effort behind the video, right? So, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we are going to start trading later on in the London session. All right. Thank you, CK. Thank you, Joey. Thank you very much. I shall see you later. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Shall see you later.